if you have a vision of what you want to create, like there's no excuse for you not to fulfill that. The only excuse you have is that you didn't put in enough time and effort, and you didn't want it bad enough. If you want something bad enough, you will find a way. There is no excuse besides whatever it takes to get there. I will do whatever it takes to get to that goal. And people, like, I didn't have money to go and compete for Mavericks. I didn't have sponsorship. I did fundraisers. I sold some of my equipment. I sold, like, whatever it takes to do that. And then, you know, I ended up flying over and competing in the Mavericks event on the biggest day in the history of the sport. My equipment didn't arrive, my wetsuit didn't arrive, my board didn't arrive. Like, this is like arriving at the show jumping Olympics and someone loses your horse and then tells you to ride another horse for the Olympics. Like you have to be, you know, you have to have done everything in your power to be ready for every single worst case scenario and then some. When the conditions get really wild and woolly and get really unruly, the person that's going to excel is the person that's been there and done it through every single possible environment. So he's so comfortable with the uncomfortable situations that he's the person that stands out when the going gets tough.